Itena ria keri ria mihang'o ya kuhamurithia ria maingirite mutitu-ini wa mau mugaru na watho yagirwo ni kwambiriria ica ikuhi kuria andu makiria ma 40,000 matanyitwo kuhutio. No kurumira mateta maria makoretwo kuo kurumirirwo ria itena ria mbere ria tabanirio Mucemanio wa naihenya niuthaganitio gatagati ka anyiti itemi ngurani niguo kwathika mibango mikinyaniru ya uria mihang'o ino gutwarithio na mbere. Ministry ya githomo ruhonge rwa guthaitira mititu guku bururi-ini ruhonge rwa guthaitira nyamu cia githaka honge cia ugitiri kuma kaunti ya Naikuru na kaunti ya Narok nimwe ya aria marari mucemanio-ini uyu kurunga ciigie mutitu wa mau. Kuringana na murugamiriri wa mihang'o ya thirikari gitaro kia Rift Valley Mucemania kuri na maundu ngurani magirwo ni kumurikwo mbere itena ria keri kwambiriria.
We had concerns about the cut lines or the specific boundaries between the gazetted forest and the Masai Mau forest, which is under the county government, and those were the areas we needed to consult or share and make clarification as government agencies.
Kuringana na Chimwanga uthuthuria no urathie na mbere wegie taito irireketie gucokio thini wa wabici ya County Commissioner wa Narok George Natembea kuna nyingi ciacio ni cia Google.
The process was not properly done, and we expect now going forward to hand in some of these reports to the relevant departments.
No maya magithiaga na mbere atongoria matiganite ni makinyiriria ati mihang'o ya kuhamurithia muingi no iguthie na mbere na gutire hindi mekugua. Ngiribotera Kameme TV retora kwa ni ngari wa Kamau.